Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. Welcome back everyone. Today I'm bringing you guys my spring $5 Goodwill challenge for 2018. So Hilary over at Old World Home has been hosting this for years. She does this each season, and this season the challenge is, as always, to go out and spend just $5 at a thrift store, yard sale, secondhand store to update your house for the season. Now let me show you guys what I found. My last trip into my local thrift store, I found this really nice metal planter with 2 pots in it, and I was not in love at all with the fake floral in it, but I saw some potential. So when I was there, I picked it up for $2.99, and I was lucky enough to find not just one, but 2. Now for this Goodwill challenge, I will be revamping the one containing the roses for my spring decor, but I did want to share with you all, I found 2, and I did pay $2.99 for each of them. I hauled the other one in my most recent thrift haul. So I decided after dismantling it that what I wanted to do was clean it up really well and then paint it black. My walls are white, and I felt like that would make it stand out in my home. I'm going to actually clean up this grass and totally get rid of the faux roses, clean up these pots really well, and then play with either some faux floral or something else. So I did get it all cleaned up, took it outside, and just sprayed it with a couple of coats of this flat black paint I already had on hand. I already liked it so much better in this condition. Now I think I might actually go back and scuff it up a little bit, but I just like it that color. I feel like the pots look really good cleaned up. And I'm going to redo the grass on top with some reindeer moss I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And I was playing around with the idea of using my new floral that I found at the Dollar Tree, but things changed. I also cleaned up this grass for the very bottom, and this is what I decided to do with it. So I was in and out of my stash for some hot glue, and I happened upon my Easter eggs, and I thought, oh, that might be really cute, and so I'm going to leave them like this for Easter, and then when spring comes around and Easter's over, I might switch them out for floral. I brought the whole piece inside, and I found it a new little home here on my mantle. I really like the pop of color that the Easter eggs add to my decor here for Easter, and I'm very glad I painted it black. I had considered painting it white, but I think it would have just blended into the wall. I am super happy with how I spent my $5. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I found and how I used it in my home to update for spring. Thanks so much to Hilary over at Old World Home for always hosting these little $5 Goodwill challenges. I always enjoy them and look forward to them. I will have the playlist down below so you guys can go over and watch everyone's videos and get all kinds of ideas of how to use things from the thrift store to update your home for the season. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all back very soon.